quiet morning moments. Everything's still. The rain just passed by. I can hear it still. Drops are falling down from the trees. A gentle humming of the nearby creek brings beautiful peace. I love these early mornings, the quiet peace. Everything just is. The silence before the birds awake. Everyone's asleep. I am standing with nature, just being here in the early morning breeze. These quiet moments help me center myself, get ready for my day. Breathing in the air, the freshness, the smell of the ocean, the nearby trees. These quiet moments give me beautiful inner peace. It seems dark, yet the sun is starting to come out and say hello. I am here today. These early moments. Together with nature, feel like just such a breeze. You can start to see the light coming up just a tiny bit. It's kind of foggy today. Will the sun ever hit? I'm sure it will. It will take its sweet time to come up and say hello. Let's things shine. I cherish these moments when you can just barely see the trees and feel that early morning breeze. Thank you for joining Early Morning Musings with Gabriella. Until I see you next time, Gabriella signing off. May your day be joyful, beautiful, and creative, as always.